This video is brought to you by the Radiance Academy by Kristen, and Co. I'm now offering a brand new online course, which is the Level 1 Massage Protocol Techniques. It includes an ebook with step-by-step instructions and 5 detailed videos of my shoulder-neck protocol, my arm and hand massage, and a detailed foot massage demo. This course is now live and is available in the links in the description box below. Please contact me directly for any questions or financing options. Enjoy! Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel for another ASMR style facial video. This is a firming, anti-aging 80-minute facial for my client Nancy, who has normal to dry skin, but truly this facial is fit for any skin type. This facial features products from Circadia and Image Skincare, where I'll be demonstrating a 30% glycolic peel and Circadia's Peptide firming mask. All of the products will be listed in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and continue watching. The Circadia Lipid Replacing Cleanser gently and effectively removes dirt, makeup, and lipids without harming the skin's barrier or denaturing keratin, and is recommended for most skin types. This cleanser utilizes step-on mild PCL, which is a mild cleansing agent that uses surfactants, generates foam, and allows for the pH to match that of the skin. The Almandola Milk Cleanser is a non-foaming cleanser containing milk protein, vitamins, a natural essence of plants, oat and wheat gluten. This combination of ingredients helps to moisturize and brighten the skin. This ultra resurfacing blend of glycolic acid combined with retinol visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin firm and revitalized. Please always refer to your image professional treatment protocol under Wrinkle Lift Treatment. For this peel, apply in a circular motion, beginning at forehead, moving down the cheeks, nose, and perioral area. Massage peel for 1 to 3 minutes. Peel may be left on the skin an additional 1 to 7 minutes, gradually increasing this time with each treatment. Remove thoroughly with cool water and sponges until client feels zero activity. The Cyto Serum is a light but hydrating serum specially designed to enhance the skin's natural communication pathways and aids in the repair and restructure process. This lightweight product is recommended for all skin types, but particularly those who desire to preserve their skin's firmness. Circadia's Firming Peptide Masque is a firming and tightening mask combining the latest technology in peptide, antioxidant, and dermal regeneration science, resulting in a plasmatic stimulation into the deeper layers of the skin. Immediately before use, mix 2 parts of the firming peptide enzyme powder and 1 part firming peptide activator into a portion cup until smooth. Apply evenly to face and make extra if you want to apply some to the neck using a fan brush. Allow to remain on the skin for 10 to 30 minutes. Remove mask with Lipid Replacing Cleansing Gel with a warm, damp towel and pat the skin dry. MeriStem Serum contains a liposomal preparation of apple stem cell extract and Edelweiss MeriStem culture extract for remarkable anti-aging performance and skin revitalization. This is recommended use for all skin types. Snow algae, spirulina, and aloe juice combine to create a cooling and soothing gel mask designed to improve cellular defenses, oxidative stress resistance, cell detoxification, and repair while rejuvenating the epidermal-dermal junction. This unique ingredient combination supports the skin tissue through trauma and enhances soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. It's best for rosacea, inflammation, sunburns, post-peels, and skin longevity. This age-defying vitamin C reversal serum is an essential treatment for anyone with mature or prematuring skin. It contains the most stable and active form of vitamin C to increase the firmness of skin and neutralize free radicals. This soft, silky serum contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 to hydrate and smooth. Thank you so much for watching this facial episode, and I hope it gives your clients a beautiful result in the end. And I thank you so much for being a part of this community. Please make sure to join and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone that you might find it enjoyable. Have a beautiful week.